exercise 2.7 of grade 7, and it is based on division of decimal numbers. So let's start with question number 1. This is find. Let's take first part of this, that 0.4 divided by 2. So how we are going to divide this? That first of all we will write 0.4, and you will remove the decimal from here. So after decimal we have one digit, so we will write here 10 in denominator. After decimal we have only one digit. Decimal के बाद केवल एक digit है. We have one digit, so we will write here 10, right? So now I am removing this, and as we all know, when divide will become multiply and 2 will become 1 upon 2. So now we can cancel this as 2 one time, 2 two times, and 2 one time, 2 5 times. So finally the answer is 1 upon 5. Similarly, let's take another example. Say its last part, I think this is 8th part, which is 0.80 divided by 5. So how will we solve this? So once again, after decimal now we have two digits, so we will write only 80, and after decimal we have two digits, we will write here two zeros with 1, that means 100 here. Divide will become multiply and 5 will become 1 upon 5, that means reciprocal of this number 5. So now cancel, 1 0 cancel by this. Okay, now further we cannot cancel anything, so this will be 8 1 times 8 and 5 10 times 50. So this is the final answer of this question. Next is question number 2. So question number 2, first of all I will have to erase this. This is dividing by 10, 100,000. So for question number 2, 3 and 4, I will tell one method which will work in all three questions. This is for question 2, 3 and 4. Suppose I have a number here, 3, 4, 6, and the decimal is here, and I am going to divide this by 10. So children, always keep remember that whenever it's better like this decimal here. So whenever we have decimal number and we are going to divide this by either 10, 100 or 1000, so how do we divide? We just simply directly shift the decimal in left side, right? For example, here I want to divide this by 10. So as 10 has only one zero, so you will shift decimal by one digit in left side. Means कि आप decimal को left side में, left hand side में shift कर देंगे एक digit तक, यानी कि 1 0 है तो ये decimal यहाँ से आ जाएगा आपका यहाँ. So answer is 3.46, right? Similarly, if you are dividing the same number, let's take 3, 4 and 6. Now I am dividing this number by 100. Okay, so now as we have 100, that means two zeros, so we will shift decimal in left side by 2 digits, यानी 2 digits तक हम decimal shift कर देंगे left side में. Decimal यहाँ से इसके बाद 1 2, यानी कि 2 digits के बाद, यानी कि यहाँ पर आ जाएगा. So the answer will be decimal 3, 4, 6, and before decimal, when we don't have any digit, we always put there 0. So this is your final answer. So once again, now I am telling by 1000. Suppose the decimal is here and we are going to divide this number by 1000. So now very simple, we have to shift decimal by 3 digits in left side. So right now decimal is here, but after decimal we have only 2 digits, 1 and 2. But we have to shift by 3 zeros. So then ourselves we will put one more zero here. We can put here one more zero. Now from here 1, 2, 3. So decimal will come here. So that means decimal 0, 3, 4, 6 and 1 0 here. Right? So I hope you all would have understood the method of division by 10, 100,000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh and so on. So I hope you all would have understood this. So next is question number 5. How to solve 5? This is first part is 7 divided by 3.5. So first of all I am just erasing this which we have already done. So now method is same, that first of all first number as it is, divide will become multiply, and 3.5 will become 1 upon 3.5, right? Now what we can do, that you all can see that after decimal we have one digit, so we will remove the decimal and you will put 1 0 in the numerator. That means it will become 10. Or you can do directly that after decimal, as we have one digit, so we can multiply by 10 in the numerator, right? So now we have this 7 multiply by 1 upon 35, this is 35, and multiply by 10. So 7 one time, 7 5 times 35, 5 one time, 5 2 times, and finally in the numerator we are left with only 2, and in denominator we have only 1, so 1, no need to write. Similarly, let's take another number. This is question number 5. I'm taking now sixth part. Method is same for all the questions, but I'm taking different numbers, like 7 decimal 75 divided by 0.25. So why I have taken this number? Because in this case both the numbers are decimal numbers. So how to do that? Once again, first number as it is, 7.75, divide will become multiply, and for this we will write 1 upon 0.25. As we all know, whenever we divide two numbers, to divide sign will become multiply, and the number which is given after divide sign, यानी जो divide sign के बाद जो number दिया है उसका हम reciprocal लिख देते हैं. That means this. Okay. So reciprocal, I think you all must know. Reciprocal means, suppose I have this a upon b, and if I want to write down the reciprocal of this, so that will become b upon a, right? Similar, let's take an example, 3 upon 5. So this will become 5 upon 3. So this is called reciprocal. Okay, or we can say multiplicative inverse. So now this is done. So what we are going to do now, that as I told you, that here we can consider 1. Okay, now let's start removing the decimals. So here after decimal we have 2 digits. So 2 digits means 100. So this side we will put 100 and we will remove the decimal from here. So this decimal is removed now. Similarly, same thing we will do here, that after decimal once again we have 2 digits. So here we will multiply with 100 in the opposite sides. Opposite side mean to say that if the given decimal number is given in numerator, so we will multiply by 10 100,000 in the denominator, and if the decimal number is given in denominator, then we will multiply by 10 100,000 in the numerator. यानी अगर नंबर न्यूमरेटर में होगा तो हम डिनोमिनेटर में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, और अगर डिनोमिनेटर में होगा तो न्यूमरेटर में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. वो ये आपने यहाँ पर किया भी है कि that this decimal number is given in numerator, so we have multiplied by 100 in the denominator. Similarly, so this time the decimal number is given in the denominator, so we have multiplied by 100 in the numerator. So now we have completed this step. Let's move further for the next step. So this has become, like I'm writing the clear numbers, 775 upon 1 into 100 we have 100 multiply, this is 100 and 25. 0 to 5 has become only 25. So 100 is cancelled by 100 one times. Now let's cancel these. So if you can cancel directly, you can cancel, otherwise we can also divide here. Okay, so let's check whether we can divide this completely or not. So 25 1 times 25, and 25 3 times 75, and 2 are left, then 2 will be sent to 5, that will become 25, and 25 1 time. That means finally this number is cancelled by 25 by 31 times. So finally in numerator we have 31, and denominator we have 1 into 1 only 1, so no need to represent that number. So and this question is completed here. So this was question number 5. Next is question number 6. So question 6 is a word problem, but that will also have the same division of numbers. Like, let's see this, that a vehicle covers a distance of 43.2 kilometers in 2.4 liters of petrol, and how much distance will it cover in 1 liter of petrol? So let me note down the distance covered in 43.2 liters of petrol, that is this is distance covered in, this is petrol is 2.4, so distance covered in 2.4 liters of petrol, that is 43.2 kilometers. So this is the distance which is covered in 2.4 liters of petrol. So and we have to calculate that how much distance will it cover in 1 liter of petrol. So distance covered in 1 liter of petrol, that will be 43.2 divided by 2.4, right? So I'm just writing here to make you understand properly. This is 43.2 divided by 2.4, right? So first of all, first number as it is, divide will become multiply, and this will be written as 1 upon 2.4. I think mark is not working properly, so let me fill in this. So now I'm writing again this 1 upon 2.4, and this is 43.2 multiply. So once again we will remove the decimals. That here after decimal we have only one digit, so in numerator we will write here 10, and this decimal is removed from here. Similarly here also after decimal we have one digit, so remove this and multiply in numerator by 10. So we are left with 432 multiplied by 1 into 10 will become only 10, and in denominator we have 10 into 24. So here we can cancel 10 and 10 one times, and let's cancel these 4, 3, 2 and 24. Then we will come to know whether these numbers are divisible or not. So I think we should check this by 12. So let's check 12 2 times 24 and 12 3 times 36. So that means 7 left. 7 will turn to this 2. This will become 72. And 12 6 times. Yes, it is cancelled properly, completely. So we are left with 36 and 2 we have here. And once again 2 1 time and 2 18 times. So finally in the numerator we are left with 18 and denominator is only 1. That means in 1 liter distance will be covered, that is equals to 18 kilometers. So this is completed here. I hope you all would have understood this, and the remaining parts you can solve by using the same method. And finally, thanks for watching it.